All right, so I noticed that I've been telling you guys to make sure you have a catchy thumbnails on your video, right? So that your videos can be clickable when posting your videos. So but I forgot that some of you may not know how to create a catchy thumbnail, or some of you may not even know how to create thumbnails, right? You just use the one you generate from your videos. So I decided to make this video to teach you and show you guys how you can create a catchy thumbnail. Because if you look closely, these are my thumbnails. So I will be teaching you guys on how to create this type of thumbnails on your videos, so that your videos can be clickable when people try to watch your videos, and you can have enough engagement on it, right? So, and if you watch some tutorial videos on YouTube, you find out that some of them are always focused on what do they call it, Canva, right? They are always focusing on Canva, how to use Canva to create a thumbnail. But in this video, we'll be using CapCut. So that you can, because you know Canva usually give you templates, right? They usually give you templates so that you can just change name and pictures and everything. But in CapCut, I'll show you how to start from the beginning, right? Both the background color, the write-up, the picture, everything, right? I'll show you how to start from the beginning to create your thumbnail and make it very catchy and neat, right? Just like mine. So let's get down to it. First of all, you need to make a video of yourself trying out different posing style, just like I'm doing in this video, because that's what you are going to be using for the thumbnail editing. Then once you are done with that, select your best posing style and screenshot it. Then crop out the top and bottom of the picture you just screenshot. Then once you are done, save it and go to Chrome. Then when you come to Chrome, search for white background, because that's what you are going to be using for the thumbnail background. So we need to save one photo here. So I think I will go with this one. Save it. Then also go back and search for black background. We are going to be using black and white, right? So black background, I will go with this one here. So I'll save it. Then once you are done, go to CapCut and it's time for the editing. So now we have to add the white background picture first, right? Select and add. So now after adding it, we still need to go to overlay, so you can be able to add the black one, right? So we added the second one as overlay, and we need to readjust it to make sure it fits to what we want, right? So this is the main frame and this is the one we added as overlay. Now click on it and readjust it. So we are going to drag it to the one side of the frame, right? So once you are done, we still need to select it and go to max. We need to go to max. Okay, here is max. Now we click on max and click on horizontal. Now when it comes to horizontal, do you see? So we need to drag it, right? So what we are trying to do here, we are trying to blend it so that the black and the white can have a little mixture in the middle, right? It can match. So do you see? So we are trying to blend it in with the white. So here we are getting there. This is what we want. So that's it. Let's readjust it. And okay, this is perfect. Now after we have readjusted it and make sure everything is okay, right? So next we need to add the picture we just screenshot. That's yes, this screenshot, we need to add it. And after adding it, you need to go to remove BG, that's remove background, and click on remove background, click on auto remover. Now this is it, right? So zoom it in depending on your choice and your where you want to keep your own, right? But mine, I will be keeping it here. And remember, when you are trying to create this type of thumbnail, make sure that everything is in place, just like I'm doing, and make sure that all the adjustment is being made. Both the pictures and the videos timeline, make sure they are all in alignment. Then once we are done, we still need to go to overlay. so you can be able to add other things. Now I have this particular CapCut logo on my phone, but if you don't have it, you can still search it on Chrome and download it, right? So I need to fix it to where it has to be, where I want it to be. And luckily for me, the white also blend in with my background. Next, we need to add text to our thumbnail, so we'll be using CapCut as our text, and we make sure we make it bold and simple. So after selecting the color and what you want your write-up to be like, now you have to drag it to make sure you place it where you want it to be. But in this case, I'll be placing mine in front of the CapCut logo to make sure everything look professional and neat. After that, you need to go to overlay and add this particular black line, which you can also get from Chrome, and make sure you position it to where you want it to be. So, and after adjusting it, then you need to scroll to layers, right? You need to click on layers and select your picture and drag it to the front of other clips so that the black line can serve as a layer to read. And when you are done, make sure you do a little readjustment to make sure everything is in alignment. Then when you are done doing that, select the black line and go to remove BG, that's remove background. Click on auto remover. After that, make a little adjustment to make sure that everything is in place. Now when you are done with that, if you look closely, you will find out that this particular black line pop out beside me, and this is not really good for our editing, so we need to remove it. And you just need to go to max and click on horizontal, so we can be able to blend it in with the background color. Now when you are done with that, we are going to be adding our next text on this black line, this particular black line here. So we are going to be typing make thumbnail. So let's type it, make. So we are going to add make first, right, before we come to adding thumbnail. So I have to select what I want it to look like, and even the color and the shape. So in this case, I want it to be in red color and also bold enough so that people can see and read through it. Then after doing this, we need to select our red color and readjust it to make sure it fits in the black line. Then once you are done, we need to also select the text, and it's time to add the thumbnail. So we are going to type it in, thumbnail. And mind you, this thumbnail will be going in white color, and it will also be placed under the make, which is inside the black line. Like I always tell you guys, when you are trying to edit either video or picture or thumbnail, everything has to do with your imagination. First, you imagine what you want it to be like, what you want your video or picture to look like, then you execute it. Now this particular thumbnail is based on my imagination and how I want it to look like. You can also do the same by thinking on how you want your thumbnail to look like, then go to CapCut and execute it. Then once you are done, just screenshot it and crop out the top and bottom of your thumbnail. And guess what? Your thumbnail should look like this. Yep. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and rate these two thumbnails for me, this and this. Which one is the best? I'll be waiting in the comment section. Peace and love.